Hello, my name is Team Ninja here. Welcome back to another video. Today, look at this. We're gonna be playing Breaking Bedwars. Breaking Bedwars, my kill record. I'm at least gonna try 10 kills because I never got 10 kills before. So I might get straight into 4v4 because a lot of people on that, like 16 people, just caught up my teammates and then I can kill them all. I'm gonna try. Right. Hello guys. So I'm gonna be back when I get straight into the game. We just got into the game. Also make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. If you can hit 50 subscribers, that'd be amazing. In this video, right? It's because of Yellow's last game. I don't know. I don't know who they are, I don't know what they're talking about. What? Oh crap. There's actual stone swords on the ground. I don't want to put that in chests because I don't think no one even checks the chests. So, yeah, that's the problem. Ooh, nice defense mechanism by Purple Tay. Shout out to Purple Tay. If you're watching this video, I miss your content. Okay, I have 3 stone swords. Go take one. Mostly mine. Don't worry, they can keep it. Hey, bro. Oh my god. They have already fought. No, I'm just gonna sit here and watch them fight. I'm such a bot. The range of this is pretty good. Nope. 4 diamonds. I think I'm gonna upgrade the forge. That's what I always do, because the forge is a forge. Okay, it doesn't make sense. Alright, don't listen. They call me the non-logic guy here, okay? Ooh, blew out of the game. Right, this is not the team upgrades. Let's get the forge ready. Oof, that's a lot of stuff. Is it enough for iron armor? Yes, it is. So let me just get that. What? Oh man, come on, dude, guys, come on. Man, dude, why are you so rude? They could have not killed us. They could have spared me, but they decide not, because they're rude. So because of that and that, I really want to get myself some fireballs, so I can blast them off if they do come. Oh no! Oh no, guys. Get out! Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. Come on. You guys might be kidding me. Right, so we just got into another game. So yeah, we are not in a game, but I just realized this. Is that a cat? Is that a cat? What? Wait a second. Huh? What? What is that skin? Oh no. I'm gonna die. Yeah, we just got into the game. Ooh, crouch. I am from Turkey. I don't need to know. Sorry, but that's a little bit mean. But I just say, we don't need to know that, right? Alright, stop calling me mean, okay? I'm not a meanie. Oh. Bye, buddy. Oh, that little ping there. Oh, that did roll damage on 4 damage. Hey, Rit. What you doing there, buddy? Nice job attacking us with that little cool bridge you made. But oh no. I trapped my teammates. I'm not nice. Come here. Oh, no, I only got a kill, which is not good. Hello. I don't believe. Get out. Get out! No! What? No. Oh no, that's not good. I mean, yes. Who saw this coming? Who saw me getting killed? I mean, because every time I do a challenge, it never works out like what I expected to. Oh my goodness! Come on! Let's hackers. Please stop hacking. Please stop hacks. You only have 1 kill. You only have 1 kill. Everything looks pretty good over there. No one's at the base. That's weird. Because I'm very suspicious. Because everyone comes to our base. Hello. Hello there. What do you think about? Green Belt was destroyed. Demonetized from YouTube. Just like how I'm gonna get demonetized. Please don't demonetize me. I'm just joking. Just joking, guys. I'm just YouTube. Please don't do anything. Just I don't like fighting here. I'm just it's gonna no dude brother no you can't do that. Where is he? I mean, wait, I don't see them. What? Wait. This is no! Ah! Oh no! This is not good. No, we just got into another game which we're gonna lose because all I got is 1 kill. Maybe I'm just a little bit trash. Okay, maybe a lot. Okay. Let's do the speed build. In the chest. Take that thing away. Oh. Oof. Nice. Nice, teammate. Nice. Oh! Okay. I survived that. Hey, that's pretty good. Should be like this. Oh! No! No! Ah! No! Get out here. Keep mugging me. Let's get out here. This is not pretty good. Not nice. I'm clicking so hard right now. For no reason. Because no one is there. I have issues. Please don't go home. Let me get that. Hello, boo. What you thinking about? Can you come here? Oh yeah, I'm pretty good here. I'm pretty good here. Hey, I need a kill. You teammate, I need a kill. I need a kill, man. Or maybe she's gonna get a kill. I'm just gonna say I died. 5 seconds. Alright. Dude, how much anti-knockback do you want? Dude, how much anti-knockback? Give me the kill. Yes. Oh no, give me the other. Don't kill me. Oh, you killed me. Ah. Why? Why are you here? Get out! Get out! Get. Come on, dude. Come on. Alright, I don't see anyone here because I don't really feel like picking emeralds. Alright. Hello. Oh, you gluten-free kid. Gluten-free kid. Right. I'm not gonna succeed in this. What are they doing? Hello? Get out here, get out. Oh, no. Crap. Currently holding control here. Hello, get out. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm so dead. It should get better armor. That's way much better thing to do right now. Alright, that's right. That's why I'm dying. I only flag up. And I only have 4 gold. Alright. That yellow guy is just sitting over there and not doing really good stuff here, but get that. Give myself a sword. That'd be pretty great. Let's see. Blue. No. Did we just? He just fell down. Okay. The fence is looking pretty good with 1 kill. I suck. Bruno McDonald. Please don't. He's gonna sit there, cry. Oh my. Alright, looks like we're gonna feel this so bad. Oh, you are in my house. Get out. Gonna kill. He stole it. I should. Oh no. And he is. What the heck is wrong with that? My guild is a little bit too weird. Hello, get out. Ooh, okay, I got the kill. But if I jump down and hit him once, do I get the kill over? Do I get awarded as the kill? But what about that guy uses arm to clip on me? Looks like the challenge is a bust. Oh no. And then I killed everyone, I swear. I swear, I will kill everyone. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Just after I murder this. Oh, guy! After this, I will. Come on, man.